How to find deleted files on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find deleted files on Android phone. First thing all you need to do is just open files, this one, and here we'll find recently deleted. Click on it, and as you see here you will find recently deleted files, and that's it. And you can restore any file you want here, and that's how to find the recently deleted files on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.